Meaning of gum tree.
Gum tree.
Gum tree.
Gum tree.
Gum tree. Gum tree refers to any of several species of eucalyptus trees native to Australia, known for their aromatic gum and resin. These trees are important symbols of Australia's flora and fauna, appearing in artwork, literature, and music. They are also valued for their medicinal properties and essential oils. The gum and resin can be used for a variety of purposes, such as making adhesives, incense, and chewing gum. The tall, slender trunks and branching habit of gum trees make them popular in landscaping and forestry. Overall, gum trees are an iconic and versatile part of Australian culture and industry.